Hello everyone, I am here to solve the sample paper of class 10th mathematics. Here are some questions. I hope I'll clear your doubts, some of the doubts which you are having. So let's start with the first question. Here we have to find the value of x, where LCM of A, B, C, it is given 3780. So the factors of A is, factors of A is equals to 2 square into 3 raised to power x. Factors of B is 2 square into 3 into 5. And the factors of C are 2 square into 3 into 7. LCM means least common multiple. We have to find the least common multiple, that is, firstly, it is 2. 2 square. And the next one is 3 raised to power x. And the next is 5 into 7. And the LCM of all these factors is 3780. So the square of the 2 square is equals to 4. 4 into 5, 20. 20 into 7, 140. 140 into 3 raised to power x, that is 3780. So 3 raised to power x is equals to 3780 divided by 140. That is 3 raised to power x, 27. The cube root of 27 is 3 raised to power 3. So if we simplify it, the value of x will get 3. So the answer of first question is 3. Next question is the shortest distance in units of the point 2, 3 from y-axis is. So the given point is x, y, that is 2, 3 in a Cartesian coordinate system. In this system, x represents the horizontal displacement and from y, and y represents the vertical displacement from x. So the y-axis is the vertical line that defined by the equation x is equals to 0. The shortest distance from point x and y to the y-axis is absolute value, that is 2. 2 is the absolute value. Next question is if the lines given by 3x plus 2ky is equals to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equals to 0, that are not parallel, and you have to find the value of k. As you know, if the lines are not parallel, that means they are intersecting lines, and intersecting lines says a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2. So a1 here, a1 is 3 and a2 is 2. That is not equals to b1 2k upon b2 is 5. So when we cross multiply it, we'll get 15 upon 4, that is not equals to k. So value of k is b. Question number 4 says a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle if BC is equals to 7 cm, CD is equals to 4 cm and AD is equals to 3 cm, and we have to find the value of length AB. So as we know, a circle is circumscribed by a quadrilateral when all the 4 sides of a quadrilateral are tangent to a circle. That means जब हमारे इस सर्कल पे ये जो टेंजेंट्स हैं, इस सर्कल पे जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल की लाइन सेगमेंट्स हैं, इट मस्ट बी टेंजेंट. एंड व्हाट इज टेंजेंट? दैट इज टचिंग any point on the circle. That is called as. So here a fundamental property of quadrilateral says that it is derived from the fact that tangent to a circle are equal in length. This leads to a Pittett's theorem that says the sum of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal. That means, let's start. This is AB, C, D. BC is 7 cm, CD is 4 cm and AD is 3 cm. And we have to find the length AB. As Pittett's theorem says, AD plus BC. The opposite sides of quadrilateral are equal if a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle. That means AB plus CD. It is AD is 3 centimeter plus BC is 7 centimeter. It is AB we have to find and CD is 4 centimeter. 7 plus 3 is 10, and when we transpose 4 from right to left, it is 6 centimeter. So the value of AB, the length of AB is 6 centimeter. So this is question number 4. Now move ahead towards question number 5. If secant theta plus tan theta is equals to x, then we have to find secant theta minus tan theta. Now what will be secant theta minus tan theta? We have to check where this condition is applied. Is secant theta plus tan theta or secant theta minus tan theta कहाँ पर apply होता है? So कहाँ पर if I assume as secant theta as A and tan theta as B. If I assume secant theta as A and tan theta as B, so it is A plus B and this is A minus B. So I hope you all know what is A plus B and A minus B. A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Now let's substitute the value. Secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta is equals to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now it is given secant theta, let's substitute the values. Secant theta plus tan theta is x, and here it is secant theta minus tan theta, and secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So when we transpose secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 upon x. So this is the value. Option D is the answer. Now question number 6. Which one of the following is not a quadratic equation? अब इसको कैसे चेक करेंगे? It's up to you कि if you want to solve all the equations, if you want to solve all the equations, it's up to you. Or if you want to solve directly, you can check here. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB, and we multiply, when we multiply this, when we solve the right hand side, we'll get 2x plus 6. So यहाँ पर cancellation का कोई chance ही नहीं है, यहाँ पर 2x है और यहाँ पर square आ रहा है, तो definitely when we transpose the value, we'll get as quadratic equation. Here x square plus 3x, okay. Here if we multiply this, firstly we'll open the bracket. It will be a minus b ka whole square. A minus b ka whole square is a square. Let's check this equation. So it is x square plus 3x is equals to minus 1. A square a minus b ka whole square, it is a square plus b square. B square means 9x square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 3, 6. Sorry, minus 2ab. Just minus 2ab. Let me solve this again. X square plus 3x is equals to minus 1 into a square plus b square minus 6x. So x square plus 3x is equals to, when we multiply this, so we'll get -1 plus minus 9x square plus 6x. So when we transpose this, we'll get x square plus 9x square minus 6x plus 3x. We'll get it is 10x square minus 6x minus 9x, minus 3x plus 1. So here we'll get the quadratic equation. So this is also a quadratic equation. This is also, here we'll cancel cube with cube, we'll apply the identity, cubical identity. Let's solve the last part. X into x, that is x square, x into 1, it is x, 2 into x plus 2x, 2 into 1 plus 2. This is your left hand side, and if we solve the right hand side, it is already solved, x square plus 2x plus 3. So here it is x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. We'll cancel x square with x square. So here the values x raised to power both are cancelled, so that means it's not a quadratic equation. So this is our answer. Here the question is, given below is the picture of Olympic rings made by taking 5 congruent circles of radius 1 centimeter each, intersecting in such a way that the chord formed by joining the point of intersection of 2 circles is also of length 1 centimeter. So we have to find the area of the dotted figure. So let O be the center of the circle. Let's take O. This is O be the center of the circle, and from OA, OB and AB all are of 1 centimeter. So this is equilateral triangle, and the angle equilateral triangle, therefore angle AOB is equals to 60 degree. The angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. So the required area, we have to find the area of the required region. That is, it is 8 into, as how many segments are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are. So we'll multiply the, if we have to find the area of the required regions, that is 8 into area of segment minus area of triangle. So area of segment is 8 into, here we apply the formula, that is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square minus root 3 upon 4 r square. So it is 8 into theta is 60 degree upon 360 degree into pi 22 upon 7, and r is 1 square minus root 3 upon 4, r is 1 square. So it will be 8 into, we need an answer in pi form, so no need to substitute the value. So that means it is pi upon 6 minus root 3 upon 4. It's the simplest one. So this is the answer. Question number 8 says, a pair of dice is tossed. The probability of not getting the sum 8 is. तो पेयर ऑफ डाइस मतलब 2 डाइस थ्रो किए हैं, उसमें से ऑप्शंस जो क्रिएट होते हैं, दैट इज, आई होप सबको पता है, 1 1 1 2 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, and after 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 2 5 2 6 till 6 6. So that means there are total outcomes. Total outcomes are 36. So out of these 36 outcomes, how many outcomes are there which are not getting the sum as 8? Means जैसे 1 + 1 इन दोनों का सम 2 होता है. ऐसी कितने ही आउटकम्स हैं जिनका सम हमारा 8 नहीं होता है. जैसे 1 + 1 2, this comes under this. 1 + 2 3, 1 + 4. तो ऐसे ही हमें चेक करना है. सो फर्स्ट लाइन में हमारे पास कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं है. दूसरा ऑप्शन आता है सेकेंड लाइन में 2, 6. दिस इज द ऑप्शन. तीसरा ऑप्शन आता है 3, 5 थर्ड लाइन. नेक्स्ट में 4, 4 थर्ड ऑप्शन. फिफ्थ लाइन में 5, 3 and the sixth one is 6, 2. These are the 5 options जिनका sum 8 होता है. So how many there are? कितने options है? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 options are there. But हमें क्या चाहिए? We have to find how many options are there जिसमें हमारा आंसर जिसका सम आपका 8 होना चाहिए. तो if 5 are there, 5 options are there जिनका आंसर आपका 8 आता है, तो how many are left? There are 31. 36 टोटल आउटकम्स होते हैं. उसमें से 5 आउटकम्स आर देयर जिसका सम 8 होता है. So how many are left? 31. 31 upon 36 is the answer. Probability, it is favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now next question. If 2 sin 5x is equals to √3, then x is equals to, we have to find the value of x. Very simple question. So sin 5x is equals to √3 upon 2. Here I have transposed √2 from left to right. It will be √3 upon 2. So the value of √3 upon 2, it is sin 60 degree. Sin से sin cancel. 5x is equals to 60 degree. X is equals to 60 upon 5. 5 12s are 60. So the answer is B. The 10th question is, the sum of two numbers is 1215 and their HCF is 81. Then the possible pairs of such numbers are, we have to find the possible pair जिसका दो numbers का sum आपका वो answer है. So how we can find? As the HCF of both the numbers is 81, so let the numbers are x and y, and 81 is the HCF. That means this number is the factor of both the numbers. ये number आपका दोनों numbers में आएगा. And where x and y are the co-prime numbers. What is co-prime number? Co-prime number is the number जो आपका किसी में भी common ना हो. So x and y are the co-prime numbers, and so let the numbers are 81x and 81y. So according to the question, the sum of both the numbers is 1215. So 81x plus 81y is equals to 1215. Take 81 as common. So x plus y is equals to 1215. X plus y is equals to 1215 divided by 81. So x plus y is equals to, when we divide this, we'll get answer as 15. The sum of x plus y is equals to 15. Now how many pairs are there जिनका sum 15 हो सकता है? One is 1 and 14. Or next 2, 13, 4, 11, 7, 8, 'So how many such pairs are there? 4 such pairs. Question number 11 says, if the area of the base of a right circular cone is 51 centimeter square and its volume is 85 centimeter square, then what is the height of the cone? So as the base of the cone is in circular form, So what is the area of circle? It is pi r square, that is 51 centimeter square. And the volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. And the volume is given 85 centimeter square, that is equals to 1 upon 3. In place of pi r square, in place of pi r square, we can substitute the values as 51 centimeter square. यहाँ पर हमें दिया हुआ है already the area of circular cone, the base of the cone is pi r square, that is 51. So we can substitute the value over here, 51 into h. Now transpose the value as 85 into 3 upon 51 is equals to h. If we simplify it, we'll get answer as 3 17s are 17 5s are. So the answer is 5 centimeter is equals to h. So this is the answer. So height of the cone is 5 centimeter. Question number 12. If zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where c is equals to 0, a and c are equals to 0, are equal, then, so what are the options? C and b must have the opposite signs, c and a must have the opposite sign, c and a must have the opposite signs, c and b must have the same sign. So what will be the answer? Answer, this condition only applied when c and b must have the same sign. Now question number 13. The area in centimeter square of a sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter cut off by an arc of length 22 centimeter is. So let's solve this question. As the length of an arc is given 22 centimeter and we have to find the area of a sector of a circle. So what is area of the sector of a circle? This is the circle and sector, this is called as the sector. This is called as the sector of the circle and we have to find the area of the sector of the circle. अब किसी भी सेक्टर का एरिया फाइंड करने के लिए फर्स्टली व्हाट वी रिक्वायर्ड थीटा. हमारे पास थीटा मींस एंगल हमारे पास होना चाहिए. हियर वी डू नॉट हैव एंगल. So what we have to do, we have to firstly find the angle. So how we can find the angle? कैसे find करेंगे? हमें given क्या है? It is given the length of an arc. So length of arc. What is the length of the arc? Length of arc. क्या होता है length of arc? It is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. थीटा we have to find. इधर हमें दिया क्या है? 22 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ दी हुई है, 22 सेंटीमीटर. थीटा we have to find, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. R is 2 is 22. 2 into 22 upon 7. And what is r here? Radius is already given, 21. So 7 3s are 21. So 22 into 360 degree upon 2 into 22 into 3 is equals to theta. 22 से 22 cancel. 3 1s are 3. 260. So from here we got the answer. We got the theta as 60 degree. Now we can easily find the area of sector, that is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. So theta is 360 into 22 upon 7. R is already given, 21 into 21. 7 3s are 21. 6 So 11 into 21, it is 231. This is the answer. Question number 14. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, where AB is equals to 6 centimeter, DE equals to 9, EF 6 centimeter, FD 12 centimeter, we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC. As we know, the perimeter of triangle is equals to the sum of all sides. Here sides are given only of all the of triangle DEF. All the sides of triangle DEF are given, that is 9, 6 and 12 centimeter. So from here we can easily get the perimeter of triangle DEF is equals to DE 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 12 27. This is the perimeter of triangle DEF, and we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC, and it is given ABC and DEF are similar triangles. As we know the property, if two triangles are similar, then the ratios of these two triangles are in proportion. So that is AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to CA upon FD. So AB plus BC plus CA is equals to perimeter of triangle ABC, and DE plus EF plus FD is equals to perimeter of triangle DEF. AB upon DE is given. AB upon these all are they all are equal and proportionate. So here AB upon DE is equals to perimeter of triangle ABC. All the sides ratios are equal, तो हमने AB एक side को perimeter के equal रख लिया. So perimeter of triangle DEF is 27. We have already found. So AB is 6 centimeter and DE is 9 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC upon 27. Let's now cross multiply the values. 6 into 27 upon 9, that is area of triangle ABC. 2 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So 18 centimeter is the perimeter of triangle ABC. 15 questions. If the probability of the letters chosen at random from the letters of the word mathematics to be vowel as is 2 upon 2x plus 1, and we have to find the value of x. So firstly we have to check how many letters are there. That means total outcomes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So total outcomes are 11. So how many vowels are there from 1 A E A I? That means 4 vowels. So probability of favorable outcomes upon total outcome is 4 upon 11. So बहुत सारे बच्चे ये गलती करेंगे कि 4 upon 11 आपको दिख जाएगा, यहाँ पर आप इसको आंसर मार्क कर देंगे, बट दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज हमें x की वैल्यू को फाइंड करना है. सो x की वैल्यू क्या होगी? तो दिस इज द सेम थिंग. इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमें ऑलरेडी दी हुई है, दैट इज 2 upon 2x plus 1. So if we cross multiplied it, we'll get 22 8x plus 4. So 22 minus 4, 8x, it is 18 upon 8 is equals to x. If we simplified it, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. It is 9 upon 4. So this is the answer. 16th question. The points A 9 0, 9 minus 6, C minus 9 0 and D minus 9 6 are the vertices of. So if you plot all these points on a Cartesian plane. अगर आप कार्टेशियन प्लेन पे इन सभी पॉइंट्स को बनाते हैं तो यू विल गेट आंसर एज पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम आपका आंसर आ जाएगा.